In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Google Meet plan or subscription. To get started, open Google Meet on your device. You can do this from your web browser by going to the Google Meet website or by launching the app if that's where you normally use it. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account before you continue, especially if you manage more than one account. This helps avoid upgrading the wrong subscription and keeps the process smooth from the beginning. Once Google Meet is open, take a moment to look over the screen on the right-hand side. That's where you'll need to find the upgrade option. Depending on your screen size, account type, or whether you're using the desktop site or a mobile app, the button may appear slightly differently, but it should still be clearly labeled as upgrade or something very similar. If you don't see it right away, give the page a second to fully load and make sure you're on the main Meet page. When you find the upgrade option on the right side, click on it to continue. This will take you to the section where Google shows available plan or subscription options connected to Google Meet. In many cases, Google Meet upgrades are the part of a broader Google plan, so you may see different choices that include additional features beyond meetings, such as more participant capacity, longer meeting times, or extra tools for business and collaboration. As you move forward, read the available plan details carefully. Even though the main action here is simply selecting upgrade, it's always a good idea to review what each option includes before making a decision. That way, you can choose the plan that best matches your needs, whether you use Google Meet for personal calls, team meetings, classes, or professional presentations. If you're upgrading for work or for a shared organization account, double check that you have permission to make billing or subscription changes. This can save time and prevent errors during the checkout process. Also, keep in mind that pricing, plan names, and included features can change over time, so what you see on your screen may vary slightly. And that's it. The key steps are very simple. Open Google Meet, then click the upgrade option on the right side. From there, you'll be guided through the available subscription choices. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find where to upgrade your Google Meet